props, pass the data from one component to the another component. Let's see, from the parent component to the child component. Let's see with example in the VS Code editor. Let's go on. In the VS Code editor, here app.js is my parent component. Now create one of the component child.js. Child, it is our child component. Now I want to this import react from react. Now I want to pass the data from app.js to child component. Now first of all, in the child component I want to give the parameter like a props, and after that here I want to give the like a hello and give in the curly bracket props dot name because I want to give assign to the value to the name in the parent component, then it will be give the here data. Let's call this child component in the our parent component. For that we first of all import and call here. Now see, this is your self closing. Let's run this code, and what's the output? npm start. Now see, here's hello only coming because we cannot pass the data anything. Let's pass it, giving the name and assign the value Amit. Now see, here Amit is coming. Here data is passed from the app.js to the app component to the this child component. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like it. Thank you for watching.